MBBS in America, the real truth behind it. There are a lot of abroad MBBS consultants who say that you can do your MBBS in America or US. And the promotion is also being done that once you study your MBBS in US or America, you need not write FMG or next exam here in India. You can directly get your license. But is this actually true? Is studying MBBS in USA actually possible for Indian students? Or is there any incomplete, hidden information in these promotions? This video will give you an in-depth understanding of MBBS in America. Kindly watch the full video to get a complete understanding of what MBBS in America actually means, because it is your future at risk if we make the wrong decision. To understand the concept fully, we first need to understand what actually is meant by saying America. America is actually a continent like Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, etc. Within this American continent, there are 35 countries. Traditionally, the American continent is divided into four primary geographical regions or subregions: North America, South America, the Caribbean, Central America. In the image given here, you can see the subregions or the divisions of the American continent. Each of these regions comprises a distinct set of countries. In North America, there are four countries, as shown in the map. Number 1. Canada. Number 2. Greenland. Number 3. Mexico. And number 4. USA or United States of America. In the map, you can clearly see that USA or the United States of America is a country in North America. It is just like Canada or Mexico. Here is the actual map of the United States of America and its states. So, as per the National Medical Commission, you need not appear for FMG or NEXT, only if you study in these states that are located in the actual USA or United States of America. Say for example, you are joining MBBS in Mexico. Mexico is a country in American continent. But it doesn't mean that since Mexico is in America, there is no need to write FMG or NEXT exam. Because National Medical Commission has clearly given the names of the 5 countries where Indian students who study MBBS are exempt from FMG. You can see those 5 countries in the map given here. Those marked in green boxes are those 5 countries, and they are Canada, United States, United Kingdom or UK, Australia and New Zealand. Here, Canada and United States are 2 countries located in the American continent. Now, coming to the actual concern. What are the countries that are actually being promoted when it comes to study MBBS in America? In India, the countries located in Central America and the Caribbean are being promoted as study in US or study MBBS in America. Here are the list of countries in Central America. Central America is a narrow stretch of land that serves as a vital link between the continents of North and South America. You can see that in the map. There are 7 countries in Central America. Number 1. Belize. Number 2. Costa Rica. Number 3. El Salvador. Number 4. Guatemala. Number 5. Honduras. Number 6. Nicaragua. Number 7. Panama. Now, let's see the list of countries in the Caribbean. As seen in the map, there are 13 countries in the Caribbean. Number 1. Antigua and Barbuda. Number 2. Bahamas. Number 3. Barbados. Number 4. Cuba. Number 5. Dominica. Number 6. The Dominican Republic. Number 7. Grenada. Number 8. Haiti. Number 9. Jamaica. Number 10. St. Kitts and Nevis. Number 11. St. Lucia. Number 12. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Number 13. Trinidad and Tobago. The colleges that are promoted for MBBS in America are mostly in the Caribbean and Central America, especially in Barbados region of Caribbean and Belize region of Central America. These are not mentioned in the National Medical Commission as countries exempt from FMG or next exam. So, first let's get clear about what actually means MBBS in the US or MBBS in America. It does not actually mean MBBS in the USA or United States of America. It just means that you are going to study MBBS in a country located somewhere in the American continent. Most probably in the Caribbean islands or Central America. Hope the information in the video is useful to make the right decision when it comes to choosing the right destination for MBBS abroad. The next important thing is, what does it actually mean when the National Medical Commission states that those who study MBBS in the 5 countries mentioned above need not appear for FMG or next exam? What is the complete rule or guideline given by the NMC? Let's break down the actual guideline from the NMC document and understand it completely in the next video. Kindly subscribe to stay updated about MBBS abroad and to save your future by understanding the hidden and incomplete information that is available in the abroad MBBS consulting industry. For any queries or personalized clarifications and counseling, call us in the number given in the screen.